2014 Honda Odyssey EX 8-passenger van. It's white paint. Upgraded aftermarket midnight wheels with Michelin tires, tinted windows, rear bumper protector, stow and go third row seating. Power sliding middle row doors using the button, remote, or by the driver's seat. Tan cloth interior. Honda carpeted floor mats throughout. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Power driver's seat adjustments. Ice cold AC. Dual screen, CD player, backup camera, push button start. Hands-free Bluetooth cruise control, auto headlights, and only just under 111,000 miles. Come on and see us at UCars.